Saving lives. Research shows gun violence cut in half during ceasefire weekends in Baltimore. Is this the solution to stopping the violence? Hello, everybody. I'm Denise Coe.
And I'm Vic Carter.
Baltimore sees close to 1,000 shootings every year. And homicide numbers are up more than 30% this year compared to last.
Now, for the first time, researchers with the University of Maryland looked at the grassroots ceasefire events where people are urged to put down their guns. They found a dramatic reduction in shootings.
WJZ investigator Mike Halgren is live at Shock Trauma, where many victims are treated, and he has the numbers. Mike?
Denise and Vic, a 52% reduction during those ceasefire weekends. Researchers looked at the more than 6,000 shootings that have happened over roughly the past 7 years. They looked at trends, but ceasefire doesn't mean people stop shooting. And loved ones of a young man who was gunned down just 2 weeks ago are pleading for closure tonight.
It's just crazy. It's out of control. Something has to really be done about Baltimore City.
Co-workers of Khalid Hiba held a memorial for him, just as they have for the past 2 Friday afternoons, marking the moment a man dressed in black shot him once in the chest at Franklin and Cary in West Baltimore.
We just don't understand why. Why? It was 1:13 in the afternoon. Why would you take somebody's life at 1:13? Broad daylight.
It's just crazy. Everybody killing everybody for what? Nothing.
Khalid, a refugee from Syria who left that war-ravaged country for a better life in Baltimore, was killed making his final pizza delivery of the day for Vizzini's Pizzeria at the beginning of a ceasefire weekend in Baltimore.
He was a human being. He meant a lot to us. He meant a lot to the store. He was our family.
On the one hand, ceasefire is effective. On the other hand, people are still dying.
Dr. Peter Phelan looked at every shooting from January 2012 to July 2019. And found once the grassroots ceasefire events began in 2017, demanding people put down the guns, on those weekends there was an average 52% drop in shootings. The American Journal of Public Health published his research.
Ceasefires do lead to a dramatic decrease in violence, and it's sustained.
You can see on this graph the number of shootings spike after Freddie Gray's death. Ceasefire is one of the few events that makes an impact. And this research is the first done on it. It could help anti-violence efforts across the country.
I hope that it increases hope a little bit, that it gives people a sense of hope and pride even in what this city can accomplish when it believes in itself.
We're keeping hope alive. We pray. That's all we can do.
And if you know anything about what happened to Khalid Hiba, you're urged to call police. Now, this study was done by the University of Maryland School of Medicine. They also found that shootings are down at least 10% in the 3 days after each ceasefire weekend. Reporting live at Shock Trauma, Mike Halgren, WJZ.